with another video. I'm going inside my house. No, actually it's my aunt's house. So let's go inside the house because I want to see the new house. I've been in the trampoline before. It's pretty cool inside this house. I've seen once and I've seen twice. So let's go around the house. Probably I don't wake up the baby. Or probably the baby isn't here. So let's go look. So this is my aunt's room. So let's go. So I don't have that much things to do. I can at least play some Roblox. I'm using the camera right now, and I can't play Roblox while doing the same thing. So I have to play Roblox somehow, but I don't know how to play Roblox without a camera. With a camera, I mean. So I can't play Roblox because I need the camera off right now. So I'm going to go outside. I'm going to check out what they're going to do. What they're doing, I mean. So I'm going to. It's pretty sunny out here. So let's go. I hurt my foot in the grass. Let's go see what they're doing. Let's go. Come on. Wow. They're playing something that I don't like. So let's go back inside. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. We gotta get there. Come on. So back inside, guys. We're on the couch again. And I don't know what we should do. Because it's been like a year since No, actually, it's been a month. I'm really sweaty because I've been playing with my cousins and my brother and sister outside with you guys not looking. And right now, I'm just sitting on the couch. I don't know what to do. There isn't anything to do. So guys, I'm going to hypnotize myself, so let's try to do that. Try to hypnotize myself. So I'm going to look at this video. Oh, I know. Wait, no. Nope, I can't hypnotize myself. It's my cousin's tablet, and I don't know her password. So I tried the password that her mom had, and it didn't work because mom's phone has. What was that, guys? I TV now. Guys, it's making that noise. Let's go check it out. Nothing's making it. Nothing around here. Then what's making that noise? I need to find out what's making that noise. Bye guys. See you another time. Love you. Bye.